A trivium is a concealed object on a mass rather than a obsolete unit. So if masses are multiplexal, they do not have a size to them, they have a spring. And these springs are open to carrying multiple units within them. So the reason a spring is needed for a multiplex of an object is that to alchemically bind them to their Hollister means to plate them to a source. And these sources are vertical, horizontal, and linear to whoever gets to decide the zone of these objects. And these zones of objects are square units for undermining capital. And capital is the object of the trivium. So the trivium is a nexus for generation of triads. So triads are open to objection, but they do not have the ability to consume other triads. They still redundantly conceal them. So this is what the square unit is for. The square unit is to reduce the triad into compartments for undermining capital. So capital is a source for linguistics to override solutions, and solutions open the carrying capacity for abbreviation. So if you abbreviate a object, these witnesses of property are actually gestures of a hieroglyph called maintenance. Man is maintenance in this system, which means that man is summonable, which means the square root is actually a triangle, not a square. So these triangles are property physics to the post they assign themselves to, which is to be a right winger. And these right wingers are helium and hypergamy to the order they operate under, which is to indulge in ratio. And ratioing is a platelet for these societies to infer that right is wrong and wrong is right. So if these ratios exist, that means there is a binding that summons two sides of a coin onto the same medium. And that is how a object forms from a projection.